In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a drop shadow in CorelDRAW to give your designs much more visual depth and professional flair. Adding shadows is one of the easiest ways to make your graphics pop off the page and look three-dimensional. To get started, the first thing you need to do is select the specific object or text layer that you want to cast a shadow from. You can do this easily by using the Pick tool, which is the standard arrow icon, or by simply hitting the spacebar on your keyboard to quickly toggle into that tool. Once your object is properly selected, it is time to activate the official drop shadow tool itself. Look over at your main sidebar on the left side of the screen. You will want to find and click on the Effects flyout menu. This is often grouped together under the Blend or Contour tool icons. So if you do not see it right away, just look for those symbols. From that menu, go ahead and select the Drop Shadow option. Now that the tool is active, move your cursor over to the Design area. Click near the center or any edge of your selected object. Then hold down your mouse button and drag your cursor outward in the specific direction you want the shadow to fall. You can pull it down and to the right for a classic look or in any other direction, depending on your light source. Once you have reached the desired length and angle, simply release the mouse button. A soft, realistic shadow will instantly appear behind your object, creating a beautiful sense of depth. You have now successfully added a professional drop shadow that makes your design look much more sophisticated and polished. This simple technique is incredibly effective for making text more readable against complex backgrounds and giving your artwork a modern feel.